Hi, I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer on YouTube, and today we're going to be making an appetizer for spring training. It's baseball time, and let's get it going. Hi, Chef Carl here. As you know, I always ask you to support our military and first responders. Our sponsors, Janet Churchhill Britt and her husband, Dugh Britt, are with Keller Williams Reality here in Kennewick and are offering significant savings to all hero groups when you sell or buy a home. This includes all military, active, reserve, and veterans. Also, law enforcement, teachers, and all frontline employees. Give them a call and tell them that Chef Carl sent you.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, we're back, and today I'm going to make a duck fillet and cut...
Is that a duck? That is a funny-looking duck.
Oh,
How about a chicken?
You quack me up. I'm going to throw this at you.
It is.
Okay. What we're really going to be doing is a buffalo chicken, hot buffalo chicken appetizer. So, what we're going to do first, you need 2 8-ounce cream cheese, and we're going to microwave it for about a minute, stir it, microwave, and so it's going to be about 2.5 minutes total time. I'm going to cover it with a little saran wrap, and it's microwave safe. And this is Glad, if you want to sponsor me. Okay, we're going to put it in the microwave. Start it off for 1 minute. Going to stir it up a little bit. Push it down. Do another maybe 45 seconds. You want it nice and loose. Now I've let this cream cheese equilibrate or get to room temperature. So we'll see what happens. Okay. It's probably still hard, so we're going to just push down on one of the cream cheeses. They're just starting to see how it's softening up. Another half minute should be fine. Put there. So, now this has been 1.5 minutes. You can see it's nice and creamy. A little bit creamy and steamy. Hey, I made a rhyme. So the first thing we're going to put in is this 2 tablespoons of spicy citrus Mojo. And you can use any kind of spicy seasoning you want. It's just, my wife bought this for me, so. And all these things we're adding, you just kind of sprinkle in. This is 1 tablespoon of Hidden Valley ranch dressing dry mix for you put in the dips and stuff. I'm going to mix it up just a little bit. Now, this is 2 tablespoons of Berman's hot sauce. Use whatever you want, but that's the one I like. One cup of finely shredded cheese. It's cheddar, Mexican cheese, and jalapeno. A half a cup of nice blue cheese crumbles. And you just stir away here. smells good, I might just stop right here and Ort and I can eat this. Ort's the guy that takes all the videos. He's a heck of a guy. Now I'm going to have to pay him money for mentioning his name. Oh boy. The cream cheese I use is Philadelphia brand cream cheese. I use Boar's Head blue cheese crumbles. And this I got at Cosco. It's 12.5 ounces of premium cooked chicken breast, and it's a natural stock. And he's put the stock in too. And what you want to do is break this up. That way everybody gets chicken with every bite. But my wife also said, she says somebody would like the texture of chunks of chicken, so you can also add like a cup of diced rotisserie chicken. It's up to you. But even if you don't, this is tremendous. Put this way. Okay, gonna put this in this casserole dish, and I sprayed it with olive oil. And now we're going to top it with 1 more cup of this shredded jalapeno cheese, finely shredded. It's not that they shred it finely, but they finely shredded it. You got a little too much? Don't worry. Who's there? And just kind of spread this a nice even level. And if you like bacon, you can put some cooked bacon on there. Fix it however you want. This is the basic one. Everybody loves it. So this buffalo chicken dip is ready to go. It's delicious. I made a test batch last week and everybody wanted the recipe. They ate it up. It's fantastic. So now we're going to put it in the oven at about 385, 400 degrees, depending on your oven, convection oven, and for about 15 to 18 minutes, and then under the broiler for about 4, 5, 6 minutes until it's golden brown. So here we go. And for that, folks, we're going to wait and have a feast. Or it's going to be delicious. My wife's going to be home soon. We're all going to feast out on the buffalo chicken. So it's been about 18 minutes in the oven. And then I put it on the broiler for about 4 or 5 minutes so it browns. And you can make it as brown as you want. Let's see how it looks. All right. Here we go. Let's get close. Oh, man. Is that beautiful or what, huh?
That is gorgeous.
So now we're going to put some nice restaurant-style chips. Whoa! It's a party. It's a fiesta. See this? This is beautiful stuff. And I could be dipping this, but I'm lazy. Ooh, I'm going to let that cool down before I get the first bite. Okay, now that chip was so hot, I left to put it down. And while we're waiting, I'd like to thank everyone for watching my Chef Carl Food Whisperer on YouTube. Please subscribe And I'd like to thank my friend Griillin and Chillin with Mojo. He's helping to mentor me. And with that being said, I love you all. Stay healthy, stay safe, and goodbye.